Hello and welcome to my channel Learn English Today. Today's video is going to be very interesting and fun filled because today we are going to learn some I idioms. So stay tuned till the end of the video. I assure you, you will enjoy the video and learn some interesting and beautiful idioms. So without wasting the time, let's get started and move towards the first idiom. In the blink of an eye. In the blink of an eye, meaning very quickly in an extremely short amount of time. मतलब पलक झपकते ही बिना टाइम बिना समय गंवाए द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ए सेकेंड. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं. द कार disappeared in the blink of an eye. Second sentence, the magician performed a trick, and in the blink of an eye, the rabbit vanished from the hat. हम कह सकते हैं, the time passed in the blink of an eye. The children grew up in the blink of an eye. Now let's move towards the second idiom, which is turn a blind eye. Turn a blind eye, meaning to ignore something deliberately or to pretend not to see or notice. मतलब देख कर भी अनदेखा कर देना, नज़रअंदाज करना, ध्यान न देना. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं. I can't turn a blind eye when someone is being robbed. Second sentence, as a police officer, you cannot turn a blind eye to any of the illegal activities around you. So, किसी चीज़ पे को अनदेखा कर देना is turn a blind eye. Let's move to the third idiom. Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on something, meaning to watch or monitor closely, to be attentive to something. मतलब किसी चीज़ पर नज़र रखना, ध्यान रखना, उसकी देखभाल करना. To keep an eye. Example sentences लेते हैं. The teachers were keeping an eye on him during the test because they thought he might cheat. Please keep an eye on my bag while I go to the washroom. हम कह सकते हैं keep an eye on the cookies in the oven so that they don't burn. तो किसी चीज़ पर नज़र रखना, ध्यान रखना. Let's see the next one. Eagle eye, meaning sharp and keen eyesight, the ability to notice and observe details. Exam- Example sentences लेते हैं. The detective had an eagle eye for spotting clues. Second sentence लेते हैं. We sat down and started the exam under the eagle eye of the teacher. Eagle eye means नज़र का बहुत तेज होना, किसी चीज़ को ऐसे नोटिस करना कि स्मॉल डिटेल्स भी दिख जाएं, कोई चीज़ छूटने ना पाए. दैट इज ईगल आई. अब चलते हैं लास्ट ईडियम की तरफ. सी आई टू आई, मीनिंग टू एग्री विथ समवन, टू हैव द सेम ओपिनियन और व्यू पॉइंट. मतलब किसी से सहमत होना, पूरी तरह से सहमत होना, कोई असहमति ना होना, एग्री करना. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं. दे डोंट ऑलवेज सी आई टू आई ऑन पॉलिटिकल मैटर्स. मतलब कि पॉलिटिकल मैटर्स पर वो एक दूसरे से एग्री नहीं करते हैं. डेविड एंड सुजन फाउंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू वर्क टुगेदर as they seldom saw eye to eye on an issue. मतलब हम कह सकते हैं, अगर सिंपल सेंटेंस लें, कोई छोटा सा सेंटेंस लें. we we both like pizza for dinner, so for that we see eye to eye. I hope you have understood these things. So in today's video we have learned following idioms. First one, in the blink of an eye. to turn a blind eye, to keep an eye on something, eagle eye, see eye to eye. So before I wrap up, I'll ask you to practice these idioms, and if you have a favorite eye related expression or any idiom, feel free to share in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more language lessons and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep an eye on your language skills. Happy learning.